we finally got this thing ready to go, and going to be taking it out in the next, let's see here, we're going to take it out in practice probably in the next couple of weeks. We've got the GoPro ready to go. We got the tank all polished up. Everything looking pretty. We got our factory DT6E gauges. Let's see if they're working. Yeah. Nice 67 degrees in here. Yeah. Got our K30s, 160 cc's a piece. Some Mikuni carburetors. Got those all dialed in on methanol. Some little extra juice in the methanol always makes them sound a little better. Got our pipes all ready to go, all blued up. Thanks to RLV, we got some really gorgeous headers of RLV. And got a lot of brake on this thing. Should stop it. Yes, I know I have the rotors backwards for you experts out there. But I'm going to leave it alone anyway. Got plenty of brake. And our other K30. Got a 60 millimeter bore on this thing. 56 millimeter stroke. And which is stock stroke. We've got our brake bias all dialed in finally. If you've been following along with this build, you'll know that that drove me crazy. Got a set of Hoosiers on here. Got the factory Emmick front wheels. Just trying to stay period correct on this Emmick Elite that I've assembled. Bought the car new back in the day. Exchanged hands a couple of times. I found it again and revived it. That's it. We're talking about 90 horsepower on board. We twist these things between, well, I lock the clutches up at 10,000 and spin it to about 16.5. These pipes are really good for about that power band. They're a set of modified Hartmans. Period correct. I bought them new back in the day. And again, we got the BURCO AXLE clutches that we sell, but we service all the parts for these. We manufacture all the service parts. And there it is. My toy. Have fun. Well, we got a great camera on the rear view too. Pipes have been, you can tell the pipes have been around a while. That ought to be a good GoPro video right there. Coming in February, we'll put this thing on the racetrack. Early February. Adams Kart Track. It should be a fun ride. We expect to have about 10 of these out there. Should be a fun ticket. 100 horsepower go-kart. Kart and driver. Some of these guys weigh about 350 kart and driver. So you get about a 3.7 pound per horsepower. Doing math in my head too quick, but that's what it is. That's what they look like. A lot of fun.